Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of CapCut. We click on settings here as you see, and we click. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of CapCut. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of CapCut and you can update your app, so please don't